Good evening, everyone. I'm NWAJAGU, the reigning Mr. International. The journey to greatness is not an easy one, but it is achievable when we believe in ourselves. My journey is an inspiration that everything is capable, is possible, when we trust in our abilities and have the presence of good people around us. I'm happy to represent Mr. International today, an organization that stands to advocate for a future forged by men who are bold, courageous, and determined to push limits of what's capable and possible. My organization stands for a purpose of good. Over the years, this international organization has continued to grow and expand globally, empowering young men to be not just models, but role models, leaders, advocates, and voices of positive change. The search is not only a title, but a call for action. A call to be the light and the change we want to see in the lives of others. It's about love, about kindness, and about the need to make the world a better place. To the contestants backstage, you all are amazing. If I can do it, you can. Of course, moments of doubt will come, but in those moments, remind yourself that you don't have to be great to start, but start to be great. On behalf of myself and the Miss International organization, I want to say a very big thank you to the organizers of Mr. Pilipinas Worldwide for having me here, and the beautiful people of Philippines for your wonderful hospitality. Salamat po.